Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani coming to you today with a very small Costco haul, but also after this video I'll be coming to you with a home decor slash clothing haul. Um, I had to go to the doctor today, and where I go to the doctor, Costco is really close by. As you guys can see, last week I did a huge Costco haul. So I was kind of missing some of these things, or I ran out of it during the week. So I figured since I was by the doctor, I might as well just pick up these items instead of waiting next month. I usually go to Costco once a month, but like I said, because I had a doctor's appointment and Costco is right next to my doctor, I figured I'll just grab these things and show it to you guys. Also, I got two items from Aldi. So if you like these kind of video and you want to see what I got, sit back and watch. Okay, the first thing I got was this huge bag of organic broccoli florets. The price for it was $5.99 and it is a 1-pound bag. Then I got my staple, which is the Kirkland organic drumsticks. The price for it was $1.79 a pound. This is about 5 pounds, and the price on this was $9.49. I am not wearing my glasses. Hope you can see that. Then I always get a box of the almond milk. Like I explained to you guys, I use these in smoothies. I use it for cereal. I bake with it. When I make macaroni and cheese, I use it in that as well. So pick me up a box of this. I'm trying not to be in the video because, like I said, I am going to do a home decor slash shopping haul, and I didn't want you guys to think that I wore the outfit 2 different days. So that's why I'm trying not to be in this video at all. Then I got a pack of the Kirkland's hot dog. It is actually a 3-pack, but I was so hungry that I opened up a pack, and that's what we had for lunch today. And this price was $12.99. The milk, I don't know if I said it. I believe the milk is either $6.79 or $7.69. One out of those two. Then I got a bottle of Italian seasoning. I try to stay away from salt when I cook for myself and for my family, so I like to use a lot of herbs instead of salt when I cook. This was $4.79. I also got the Kirkland's whole black pepper. Peppercorn. We were out of black pepper. I'm not sure. I know I had a big bottle. I just can't find it at the moment. I am pretty organized, so I'm thinking I'm out or someone broke the bottle, because I usually keep it in a glass bottle and they just didn't say. I'm going to scoot you guys closer because, like I said, I don't want to be in the video because I don't want you guys to think that I wore my outfit 2 days in a row. Then, as always, I always get the Uber greens from Costco. I drink, or at least I try to drink, at least 3 of these every day. I know people say it's probably cheaper to make it, but I don't have the time, and someone said don't waste your time doing stuff you don't enjoy doing when you can spend your time doing what you love. And for me, juicing is just such a messy process. First of all, the juicer that we have is so big, so to get it out and then to peel and wash the vegetables and all that stuff, I just rather go buy it and be done with it. And nobody else in my family likes it, so I don't have to buy it too often. Then coconut oil is also a huge staple in my home. I use it in my coffee. I use it to cook, to bake. I even use it in my hair as well as my skin. So we go through a lot of coconut oil. So I usually buy a huge container, and we're not completely out. I think the container I have is about a third, but I never want to run out, so I went to Costco to get this. And then the two items that I got from Aldi's were these. We don't drink soda, but every now and again we like kind of the fizz that you get from soda, I guess. So I usually get all flavors, but just lately, because I don't want to bring it in the house, for whatever reason, I'm being lazy, I guess. I just get one every time that I go. And then also, I got a bag of their fries. And this will be for dinner tonight. We're probably going to do some hamburgers. Okay, guys. Well, this concludes my small Aldi/Costco haul. Like I said, I had just did a big shopping haul last week. I really didn't need to do one, but we were kind of running low or almost out of some of these items. And since I went to see the doctor, I figured I would just run in real quick, get the items that I needed, and run back out. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you decide to subscribe to the channel, be sure to turn on that notification bell so you can always know when I upload a new video. Again, immediately after this, I'm going to do my home decor/fashion haul for you guys. So if you want to see that video, be sure to subscribe. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.